Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. So remember, before we start our live streaming, that our content here, our live streaming is always for education purposes. We will not provide any financial advice. So do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it, guys, and start with DUOL had earnings yesterday, jumping after the earnings, of course. Almost 30%, and we got the other stocks like MNR jumping again. We got NBIS jumping as well after the good earnings, breaking out from the resistance around 63.50, going near the profit taking here. We have other stocks that we discussed yesterday, like Dash Door or DoorDash, and Bros. Those two stocks we already discussed them yesterday on our Discord, of course, and Patreon. As you can see here, DoorDash before the earnings and before the jump from the 260, and Bros before breaking the 60.71. Both of them were really great trade for us and for our hunters. Bonjour, George, Mara. You can tell me the next support. Resistant, you mean the resistant. Mara, yes, I'm gonna check the Mara right now. Let me know if you are watching the live streaming right now, George. Good morning, Siraj Jauhari. Good morning, man. How you doing? So, George, let me know if you can hear me so I could check Mara for you. Amis Pound, Lizzie, good morning. We didn't trade gold for a while, but I will check it, man. Gold looking great. George back. George is back. One of our members on Patreon. So, George, you ask about the resistant, and the resistant is there in front of you over the 1787. So today, if we jumped, we might have a nice jump because right now 2%. So I expect another 10, 11% before a pullback. So watch out for the 1787 because this is where we expect another pullback down because, yeah, if Bitcoin actually pulled back again, we might pull back after testing this resistance. And now it looked really great for Mara because it bounced from this ascending channel. So yeah, technically Mara looking great here for a bounce from the 1460. So far so good. After the earnings, of course, we went down. Now we might go up. SMCI the same, is started to pull back up from yesterday, the huge dip after the earnings, 18%. AMD the same, Snap the same, right? So those are the stock that we should watch with the other stock that we traded yesterday. LLY had earnings as well, testing major resistance around 700. This one testing another resistance here. Yes, 396. It was red yesterday, now in green. APP. And we got another one. This one, I think, reporting earnings right now in pre-market. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. SYM, yes, as well is pulling back. We expect a lot of SYM, 19% down. I will give it a bit of time for reversal, yeah, for SYM because it might dip more. So we have SYM for a reversal from the dip, APMB, LLY, and VST. And the rest is for more jump, like Dash, Bros, DDOG, and CLH. This one looking interesting, of course, now because I expect a breakout here. If we have a good day, we have to break the 192.76. For now, yes, it's kind of bouncing up from this bottom. Anyway, BMNR, nothing much. BTAI, nothing much. Yeah, so NBIS looking great. Welcome everybody. We've got yeah, 10 minutes left at the market open. Let us check if we got any stock jumping. Those the top gainer, I think yesterday we got MYGN. Now they are pulling back. Those the top gainer for yesterday, guys. You see, we have a huge pullback for them, especially for this one. This one as well. Go AIMD pulled back a lot today. The same for this one. You see, they didn't hold the gains, many of them, guys. So not any stock that jump, it could be good to hold the next day. So it's wise to always take your profit and don't trust the stock that much. YHC, YHC, and Avesh. Let us check those two, the top gainers for today. YHC, it is jumping after a huge flush, so I don't trust it. Below the $2.90. I don't trust it one bit here. Yes, too risky play. As you can see here, it's pulled back a lot. I will give it a bit of chance. If it held over the 155, it might go toward the $2.11 again. Verge, I don't like the technical that much, so I'm gonna keep YHC on the list because it look really interesting technically, even though right now it's pulling back. Okay, today we got few stocks reporting earnings after hours. We're gonna check them later, but the main one I think is Rocket Lab. Anyway, The SPY, I think, have no resistance at the moment. It pulled back and needed to pull back more. You see, there's no resistance for the SPY yet. It's crazy. We have a huge reversal. It didn't hold. Yeah, it held over this support. The 600 and yeah, 618. It is current support. Watch out, everybody. 600 is really good support. 618, yes. This is the first support that we held. For today, we might have an all-time high again over the 641. If AMD and SMCI go up, of course. If we have a huge reversal, yes, the SPY might go on the green side. Because yesterday we have a nice reversal from many stocks. So I will watch today closely. If we did that, it means we're gonna go over the 642. Yeah, Andrea, the Longo, it had the huge earnings, 30%, man. This is unexpected, to be honest. I didn't expect this a huge jump for do or GUOL. Didn't expect massive earnings. I think yeah, first time the best earning this year, 55%. However, right now is getting near the 466, which is or even below around the 460. Expect a huge pullback there. Huge pullback is coming. Look like is kind of overextended here. So yeah, I'm gonna keep my eyes closed on Do You Longo for today. BTAI, nope. YHC might be good. The other stocks that might be good to trade is those ones. ABMB for reversal up, SYM, VST, APP, Bros, Dash. Bros and DoorDash guys were really great yesterday. If you don't know, guys, we already did a nice trade for them, especially for Bros reverse. We saw this really good trend reversal, and we did a warning for our hunters to trade this one before the earnings because yeah, we expected a good earnings for it. Again, I will put the link in the comment section below to our Patreon and Discord where we discuss the market before even the market open, guys, because all the action usually happen in the pre-market. So you always have to be prepared before the earnings, before those kind of news hit the market, because once the news hit the market would be kind of too late to act. So we have to always be ready, always be ready for the action before it happens. You have to be at the right time, at the right place. It's like a tiger trying to jump on gazelle. You have to be at the right place where the gazelle actually eating or migrating, and you be at the right place in order to snatch and eat. Otherwise, you can't catch any gazelle. This is the law of the jungle, and the market is like the jungle for everybody. And we are the animals. Either you eat or you're gonna be eaten. This is the reality of life. is the reality. So if you want to be eating, do whatever you want. Don't join our community in the pre-market. Eat by yourself, and of course, you're gonna be eating in the jungle because you try to hunt by yourself. Wise thing is to be like a group of hyena. If you can't hunt for gazelle, you have to be in a group of hyena trying to catch what the lion eat. You just snatch it from it. Okay, so NBIS have a resistance, of course, man. We've got a resistance for NBIS around the 65.50. I expect a pullback at the market open. We've got 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left. Hit the like. Come on, don't be shy. Let us trade the market for today. We got okay. We got APB. Unusual action for APB. It's going on the green side. DDOG holding. CLH. We got SMCI, AMD, right. Yeah, right, doing all right here. Okay. We got snub is moving a bit. Plug is moving. Okay, the market is open. Let's see which one will be the one that will give us some gain for today. VST might be good. Yeah, VST could be good. Wow, ABB looking great now. Uh-huh. Pros go down, dash go up. VST did a really nice job, but now testing a resistant. Yeah, it's really quick. SYM, it might be good for a reversal right now. Okay, VST jumped. Yeah, SMCI, AMD jumping. Hmm. Okay, AMD might be good after this breakout, 167. Right, testing the resistance. Wow, plug 5%. We have a huge green today. NBIS jumped really nice, almost hit the 71. YHC, no good here. We got Duolongo still jumping. BMNR, not for today. MPIS and Duolongo really did really great job for today. Yeah, both of them are really good. Duolongo did really crazy job, but I don't trust it here. Yeah, 32% is too much for today's standards. So yeah, for now we might have a pullback. Right, it's pulling back a bit. Let's see if we continue. We got a nice support here. Gonna adjust the resistance for rights around the 1276. We have a support now around 1168. For AMD, we have a support around the 165. Yeah, 165 should be a support. DoorDash is perfect to take profit at, but right now it's better to take a bit of profit on DoorDash. Okay, we got SKYT. No good. Let me just check the main gainers for today. We got AVAH jumping, I think because of earnings. Deolongo, MATV. We got Run. Most of them because of earnings. So they're not Yeah, so I don't suggest for entry because those one are jumping because of earnings. VST did a really great job for reversing here at the market open. We have a nice breakout. But now we might have a pullback for it around the 208. Yeah, we have a bit of pullback now. Yeah, here a little pullback, especially for NBIS because the yes got shorted around the $70. AMD looking interesting at the moment. Yeah, it's jumping. There's someone buying AMD, guys. We have a nice jump. We have a level around the 173.22 we might go to right now for AMD. Right, pulling back. Plug is jumping. AMD jumping with SMCI. Snap pulling back. AMD, we need a little bit more push. More push, more push, more push. MBIS, yeah, we have a huge pullback for MBIS. DUOL, what a crazy jump for this one. Seems to me is we don't have any pullback for it yet. SMCI getting near the breakout around the 48.50. AMD, we have undecision still going up and down. Right, pulling back. Gonna put two alerts for it. One is here. SMCI trying for a breakout. We have a support for it here around the 47.12. If we broke, we might have a nice jump toward here, $50. DoorDash should pull back. The same for DDOG. Top gainer, Avash is still top gainer for today. Market cap 1 billion, just 1 billion, 48% madness. This one, it is madness. Jumped really good today. Yeah, I think Avash looking interesting. Got huge earnings. Jamaya as well doing all right. Small market cap as well, 560. That's why I didn't put it on my radar. Okay, AMD trying to go toward the 170. Yeah, is coming another lag, especially for SMCI. We got a nice breakout here. Yeah, nice. Let's see if we finish up over the 48.50. I think there's someone buying the dip for the semiconductors right now, guys. MVTS, I will check it. IMG, Elon 2, MVTS. Yeah, George, I checked this buy. So SKYT, NVTS, IMG. Yeah, AMD is going, everybody. SKYT's earnings play, NVTS jumping, but still below the resistance, the $7.26. So it is a bit risky play right now. Below the 726 and IMG, yes, this one is truly a unicorn because jumping 200%, but jumping from a huge dip. It's getting near the 77, so we expect a pullback for it at any moment. However, if we pull back, I will watch for those dips. Yeah, we got few dips here, 46, 32, 23. Yeah, those dips are phenomenal, are gorgeous if we got those dips. So IMG, thank you, brother, for bringing IMG to our attention. Looking great. AMD, guys, someone is buying and loading up on AMD right now. RILY. RILY. Okay, it's RILY, 17% light volume, not good. No hard feelings. CIMG, CIMG, wrong ticker is not there. There's only IMG, not CIMG, which we already covered here. CIMG equal IMG. if you like. Okay, AMD guys is going toward the major resistance, the 173. Expect a huge pullback once we go there. Coinbase, nothing. Plug, nothing. Snap, nothing. 170. Yeah. AMD going to Valhalla. Yeah, 173 is getting near for AMD. Are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? The moment that I forget about APP, it jumped really big. When you take your eyes from the price, you missed the opportunity. VST right now is kind of breaking out here. LLY still going down. So yeah, APP guys is kind of misleading. But now I can't touch it because yeah, I expect a pullback around the 426. But yeah, it's kind of misleading because it reversed here. Yeah, you should keep watching, man. Yeah, it was really good entry here. We could have made 6% on it. Oh, brother. Anyway. Okay, so now we have a little bit of pullback for the market. So be careful, a little bit of pullback. A little bit of pullback. We're gonna discuss all the stocks later on, guys. Update chart for AMD, SMCI, and the other stocks. We're gonna do them on this course, like what we did for yesterday. We did for pros. If you remember, this one have really good earnings, and of course for DoorDash. Today we're gonna do update for AMD and of course SMCI and the other stocks, and do another stock that have earnings. E-Trice ask about PGY. Guys, if you're wondering how to have access to me during the live streaming and ask for stocks, you can join us on our Patreon and have access to our Discord and pick the elite level in order to have access to me, and of course give you requested charts privately, precisely for you. Whatever stock you ask, I will do a short for entry and exit for it, like BMNR yesterday. We did for our elite members. So for now, I'm gonna check PGY. One of our elite member asked us about this, so I'm gonna do a short analysis for him. So for this one, guys, Eaterize, this one is jumping really good. However, there is a huge gap to fill for this one. Now it's kind of started to do a huge move. We have earnings, of course, that's why it started to move. So this one is earning play, brother, so be careful. The support that you should watch out for is the 28.24. We got a level to go to around 61.81 if we squeezed. So there's room, but here it is a dangerous zone for my opinion. Around this zone is really dangerous. So I'm gonna lower the level here and there and maybe here. So I'm gonna do this, yes. So there's a huge level around the 46.61. If we held this support would be great confirmation that we're gonna continue higher around 28.24. And for now, yes, we got another support just in case if we broke it around the 35. So we have 35 and 28.24. 35 should be the first support. If we held it, we're gonna have another jump toward the 46.60. Let me know if you got it, Idris. This is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and of course, see you later on. George asked about open. I will check. Okay, I will check open for you, George. Open, open, open. Yeah, open, pulling back down, brother. We have a support around this level, around $1.54 and $1.25. So we have two support reversal. Resistant now is the $2.18 and the $2.58. This is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you back by tomorrow for our update for our live streaming. And before that, of course, if you want to join our Discord and Patreon, the link comes section below for early update pre-market live streaming. And of course, after this live streaming, we're gonna do update on our Discord for the other stocks like we do every day on our 100 channel. So in the meantime, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.